Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, of course. Basically all of those steps look pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. Alright, so let me enter the browser, as I said, in the Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, or maybe before we will start, just tap on this three dots icon. As you can see here, we've got this kind of a shortcut for clearing the browser. We can tap on it. And as you can see, right here, we've got just a quick way, thanks to which we can clear the browsing data. We can change the time range. We can choose all time. Here we've got the information what it will be removed. So that's quite cool, to be honest, but I'd like to show you the full path. So let's, as I said, enter the three dots icon, tap on the history, and right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to them. But if you want to do it automatically, just tap on clear browsing data. And right here we've got some basic options which are defaultly marked, and some advanced ones like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I would like to remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to all time, for example, just like in the previous way, and then tap on clear data. And as you can see right now, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.